What possibly defines you more than a smile? Smiling has been my hallmark since I was a child. I smiled because I was happy. I smiled when I felt joy and when I was masking any other emotion. I smiled when I won and when I lost. I even smiled when I wanted to make others happy. Did you know the average child smiles nearly 400 times a day? Did you hear that? 400 times. But then we grow up and our smile becomes something we sometimes hide or reserve only for the very best of moments. We worry, are our teeth straight enough? Are they white enough? Do we have the perfect smile? You know what's perfect? Your smile. It's the only one we have. But are you taking care of your smile? I'm sure it doesn't surprise you when I tell you that smile of yours needs some extra tender, loving care. For me, it's important to have a routine using the products I know will keep me smiling big dozens of times a day. This favorite toothbrush removes up to 99% of plaque in hard-to-reach spots, and it stimulates your gums. For me, taking care of my smile is more than traditional brushing. The Oral-B Pro 6000 rechargeable electric toothbrush removes more than 300% more plaque than traditional toothbrushes. Plus, it has Bluetooth for real-time feedback. Am I brushing too hard or not long enough? I definitely need the reminders. Plus, when I pair it with Crest 3D White Brilliance toothpaste, I'm protecting against cavities and against future stains. I had braces for 3 years, so I'm fairly confident in my straight teeth, but keeping them white is a priority. Crest 3D White Brilliance Whitening Mouthwash is alcohol-free and it can give you a whiter smile in just 7 days because it removes surface stains. Your smile is what people see first, or at least I do, so of course it makes sense to take care of it. This month, my friends at Sam's Club want to help you take care of your smile like I do. You know it's the best thing you can wear, right? They're offering over $30 in instant savings on the same Crest and Oral-B products I use and more. Don't leave home without that smile of yours or without the products that make you smile. Tell me, what do you love most about your smile? Leave a comment below or feel free to connect with me on other social platforms like Twitter or Instagram. It's at Danielle Smith TV. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.